Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands in the Realme 12 Plus. And to do this, first let's start with translation, so you can translate anything from one language to another using your Google Assistant. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger. Okay, the next one will be on how to count calories in the food. Hey Google, how many calories in a burger? Okay, the next one will be on how to find your phone if you lost it somewhere in your room or in your house and you have no idea where it is. You can ask, hey Google, where are you? That way your phone will make a sound and it should be easy to find. Next one will be on how to make Google tell you a joke. Hey Google, tell me a joke.
I'll let you decide whether this one is sarcastic. What do you call the tallest mother on the playground? The maxi mum.
Okay, and the last one will be on how to plan anything in your calendar. And you can ask, hey Google, add a reminder to my calendar that I need to eat burger on 10/20.
Okay, I need to eat burger on 10/20. When do you want to be reminded?
On 10/20.
Alright, I'll remind you today at 10:20 AM.
And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.